this is Ayaan and you are watching YouTube channel Ayaan Edulogy. Friends, today we will study about the relationship between HCF and LCM. That is a very important topic for application of HCF and LCM. So here we use a statement or a parent identity that HCF into LCM equals to N1 into N2. Here if we have two numbers, then here N1 is the first number, and N2 is the second number, So we have this parent identity, and here I am drawing four more identities by using this parent identity or this statement. So if we have to find here, out of these four quantities, three quantities are given, and you have to ask for the fourth one. Means if the HCF N1 and N2 is given, then you have to find LCM. If N1 LCM and HCF is given, then we have to find N2. Similarly, three quantities are given, and the fourth one we have to find. So now we are going to write four more formulas using this parent identity. So if we have to find LCM, then N1 into N2. Here this HCF is in multiple form. Here it will be in division form. So divided by HCF. Similarly, if we have to find HCF, then N1 into N2 divided by LCM. This is the first, second, third. If we have to find N1, that is the first number, then N1 equals to HCF into LCM. HCF into LCM. Here it is a multiple form N2, so it will be in division form, that is N2 divided by N2. And similarly, if you have to find N2, then HCF into LCM divided by N1. So I hope that you understand how we can derive these four formulas. And so let us take an example to understand the use of these formulas in application of HCF and LCM. So let us take an example. So I have taken this example. The LCM of any two numbers is 140 and their HCF is 70. If one number is 70, then find the other number. तो यहाँ पे क्या है that the LCM of two number is given 140. Given LCM is 140 and the HCF is 70. If one number is N1, that is the first number, is 70, then we have to find the second number, that is N2, that is the second number, equals to what? We have to find this. So we know the identity that N2 equals to, now we know the identity that N2 equals to HCF into LCM divided by N1. That is, what is the HCF? 70 multiplied by 140 divided by 70. Now 71 the 70, that is 140 is the second number. So N2, that is the second number, is 140. So answer is 140. So I hope that you understand that how we can find any, how we can use those identities in the application of HCF and LCM. Let us take another example. So here it is given that if there are two numbers 50 and 40, then LCM is 200. Find HCF. मतलब क्या है, यहाँ पे दो नंबर है 50 and 40 and then LCM is 200, तो हमें HCF फाइंड करना है. So what is given here? That there are two numbers, n1, that is the first number, is 50, and n2 the second number, n2 the second number is 40. Their LCM is 200. So their LCM is 200. We have to find the HCF. And so we know the identity that HCF equals to n1 into n2 divided by LCM. And what is n1? 50 multiplied by 40 divided by 200. Now we know that zero, zero, 4 5s are 20, 5 10s are 50. So 10 is the HCF. HCF is 10. So the answer is 10. So I hope that you understand that how we can use these identities in the application of HCF and LCM. So what we have concluded is that the relationship between HCF and LCM is the product of HCF and LCM, that is equals to the first number into second number. If there is any doubt then comment me. तो मिलते हैं अपने अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए और दुआ में याद रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज।